Adam. Adam.
Yeah.
Adam. I speak with you. Come here.
Okay.
Come up here.
I'm coming. Yes?
Come to my office. Come to my office.
Alright, I'm going to your
Come to
office.
my office. Just ignore the part. Ignore the part.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, what is it, boss? Drop your computer.
Have you any complaints that you've been destroying the building?
Yeah. Dude, it's not... complaints about destroying the building. Dude, I work here. What are you talking about?
It's just like people over here just hearing explosions, there's fire and stuff, and they're just pointing at you because they see you like doing shit.
I'm not exploding. I'm not exploding anything.
Yo, you see this cable? Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh shit.
Where
shit.
is it?
Sir, I need you. I need you to sit down. Sit down. Sit down, bro. Bro. Just ignore that.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm getting complaints that you've been doing bad stuff. Like, we can't allow that. You know that, right?
But I'm not doing that.
You can't be doing shit, bro. Like,
I swear, I'm a good boy. I've been doing my tasks.
Yeah, it's like highly illegal, bro. It's like stupid, bro. How dare you? Like, how dare you, bro? Like, it's dumb of you. Don't destroy anything. Sir.
I didn't do it.
So I've been getting complaints that you've been destroying shit. Hold on. I getting complaints you've been destroying shit. Like, we can't allow that.
What are you talking about?
Hold on, bro. Hold on. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you been getting complaints like. Let's take. Hold on. Let's take this as a bottom floor, right? I've been complaints like. Hold on. What the hell? Doesn't matter. I've been complaints that you've been destroying stuff. Like, we can't allow that.
What? I'm not destroying anything. What?
Walk with me.
Okay.
Like, I can't let you be doing that like stuff. Like, it's kind of illegal.
I'm not. Come on, man. Do I look like the kind of person that would do any of that stuff? I'm a good guy, really. I don't do any of that. I'm hardworking. I'm fast. I don't do that stuff. I'm very intellectual as well. Come on.
Come here,
Would you really believe that I would really be destroying stuff? That I would really be that.
I'm getting complaints from your coworkers.
Would you?
Complaints from your coworkers.
Would you really believe? Would you really believe the other workers that I would be actually doing this stuff? Cause I'm not like that.
Yeah, like what would? No, I believe you. Like. Alright, welcome to a luxury apartment. Alright.
Yeah. Mansion. Alright, I'm following.
We have this nice sliding door. It's pretty epic. I know, right? Now we have this amazing break room.
Oh, bro, this looks. Oh.
Let's write it.
We can write it?
Yeah, hold on, Chris. I'm gonna buy like luxury mansion. Oh,
what's
back?
Hey, what's going on here, boss?
There's nothing. Now we have here this amazing gaming room.
You have a gaming room?
Yeah.
What? This is cool.
No, we have here. I have no idea. Now we have this epic TV right here. No, it's pretty cool, alright? Like,
oh my. Yeah, that's pretty. Bro, what is that? 4K HD?
Yeah, that's crazy. Hey, we got.
Damn. That's some high quality right there. That's real. That's real high quality.
You want some popcorn, bro? You want some popcorn right here?
Nah, popcorn. Bro, I love popcorn. It's not even going in.
It's a luxury car.
Whoa, is that a Lamborghini?
Yeah, bro. Anyway, this
Anyways.
wall, amazing couch. Don't do anything with it. Don't do anything with it. I'll show you something
Okay.
amazing with it. Anyway, this is pretty cool. Like, what? Anyways, this is a pretty cool building, right? I guess this is like pretty dope.
No way! Bro, that's like one of the most rarest posters. Where'd you get it?
Sure.
Oh yeah.
You're like, look at this.
Oh, man,
Yeah,
yeah.
bro.
I'm really seeing the length here. It's a real masterpiece.
You wanna race?
Huh? Yo, we can race? No way! Let's go!
Fucking race. What tarnation's going on in here?
Where are you? Oh, hello.
This is my garage, my work garage.
Oh yeah.
Bro, hold on, before you do anything,
Yeah.
we have this. Have this amazing plane. See that? See that?
Oh, that's real firm right there. That's
Anyway, we have this. We got these. Oh, look at this light. Look at it. Oh. What's the fucking bright?
no way.
I'm gonna show you something else.
All right.
Here, look at this. It's pretty
Yeah.
epic. No, right? It's pretty epic.
Oh, that's real cool. You got like nice view of the ocean.
Yeah, it's pretty epic.
Fuck. Yeah, you got a nice ocean balcony. Yeah, it's real nice here.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, we have a gym. Is this a gym?
Is this a gym?
Look at this. We got goldfish for days, bro. All you can eat.
Limited edition goldfish?
Alright, bro. I'm gonna cook up something good. Just wait here. Alright. Alright, it's just gonna work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm cooking good. Oh yeah, this is gonna work. You ready?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
real
alright.
ready.
I'm turning on the mic, bro. There's a sign here. Let me go over
There's
that.
a sauna?
Just see here. Just
Alright, you're gonna go warm it up? Alright.
Yeah, just wait. Anyways, yeah, this is pretty cool. And like, turn around.
Yeah. Oh, what's this?
I don't know. It's pretty epic. Come on in. Alright, let's ride the elevator.
Alright.
Stop doing that!
What are you talking about? I'm not doing anything. Oh.
What is the elevator is like? Let's get to the bottom floor. Hold on.
Yeah, let's
I'm
go
gonna
to the
do
bottom
that-
floor.
We'll do that trick again. We'll do that trick again. So stand right here. I'm gonna cook something up good.
Alright. What are you making?
I'm gonna make some popcorn, bro.
Popcorn?
Yeah, bro.
Yo!
Yeah, bro. Like, bro, you see that sauna, bro? This is
Oh.
real good.
Oh, this
You can't be kidding. Come on in.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, what's up? You got this like, I don't know, like.
Yeah, it's real nice and toasty sauna right here. I can already feel the steam. What are you doing over there?
I'm gonna like. Fuck happened. I'm gonna like cook something up. Hold on. No,
You got a little something falling off.
what are you talking about? Why not?
You good?
just have a normal life.
Normal life.
Dispose of this corpse.
No body to be found.
Welcome. Whatever this said. What did it say? To Lee's Chemical Established. Chemicals. Oh my god. Is our property now.
Yep. Oh look, they got cars here. Yeah, this is a pretty good factory. We could make lots of money here, get some new employees. Yeah, this is a pretty good factory. Yeah.
Oh, it's way out here. Let me just cut something up, right?
Alright. You know, I've been hearing things about like malfunctions to microwaves. Yeah, I guess like be careful with using the oven and stuff with any power like that. So, yeah, they're trying to fix all that.
I heard it's gonna be like a little rainy outside.
It is? Suddenly got cloudy. And now I'm all soaking wet.
Hopefully any lightning doesn't strike down on this.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna turn on the microwave. There's nothing up here, bro.
Nothing up here?
No.
What's this? Oh, man.
Oh, shit!
Man, what a normal day at the factory. Nothing could go wrong. Nothing could go wrong. Man, that tower looks real nice up there. What happened to my tower?
It's mine. I heard Timmy was inside of it.
No, not little Timmy. For you. What the fuck was that? What was that explosion? What the fuck are you doing back there? What's going on over here? What the fuck happened back here? Why is there suddenly a big hole here? What the fuck?
Not to alarm you, but behind this building there's tiny amounts of like...
What the fuck? Hey, I swear I've seen these things before.
You've got 4 whole active mods.
Oh.
Yeah.
It worked! Yeah, I can fly bitches! Where the fuck are you?
Hold on.
It's wedding season!
TearDown combat!
TearDown combat! Woo!
Got him!
Rocket.
Hold on, let me just...
Hey bro, I think there's a little something in there. Bro, I can fly and you can't. Oh, what the fuck is that?
Oh shit! How you flying, bro?
Because I have the jetpack.
He's got mods on, bro.
I got mods on.
It lied. They are compatible. It lied.
They lied. The laser
Except
gun
some of them just don't show up. I'm in the facility a little bit higher up, by the way. Anybody wants to say hi? They got a knock though. You gotta be a very respectful citizen.
Okay, be respectful. Be respectful. Okay.
Be respectful.
And then I'll give you a house tour.
Where's the front gate? Where are you?
I found it. Come on.
I'm lost. Oh, wait. Hold on.
Oh, hello. Hello guys. Welcome to my abode. Come inside.
Hello.
Come inside.
Wow, awesome.
Hey, what's up?
I love the attention to detail of the cables. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah. That was definitely me.
Hello. Ah! Hey, I'm gonna spray can your eyes. Get your ass over here.
I'm like, sorry.
I'm about to rocket jump.
Oh! Motherfucker's the color of a piss. Look at him! Look at him!
Why is everyone ganging up on me, man? First you destroy my house, then you destroy my dignity. I'm just a man trying to survive.
Hey man, stop shooting at me.
Oh shit! I'm out of here, bro. I don't want to be a part of this.
Hold on. Just 1 second.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm skedaddling.
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm riding a bike, but it doesn't show up on your screen.
No. Pipe bomb.
Who wants to come see my house tour?
His tour's gonna
House
be
tour?
fire MTV.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I got a pool as well.
Oh, that's cool. I like pools. Oh, look,
Oh,
I
Yeah,
just saw an
there.
explosion, bro. Who did that?
What are you talking about?
Dude, slow down there, bro. Bro, I swear to God, if you smash a single window on my beautiful house,
What are you
I
talking
swear
about?
to God, man.
What are you talking
Nah.
about? All right. Anyways, give us the house tour. What's going on here?
Oh,
Bro.
All right. The house
Bro,
tour.
you kids, bro.
House tour, bro. Give us a house tour. Are you gonna give us a house tour or what?
Sorry,
Wait. We gotta wait for Bob. We gotta wait for Bob. We gotta wait for Bob.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah,
He was just these kids, man. They just keep graffitiing on my. Hold, let me clean this off real quick. Let me.
Here, let me help with that.
I can hear it.
Oh,
I can
thank
hear
you,
it.
thank you, thank you.
Yeah, that's really good.
Alright, look, it's all gone. Oh, how did you do that, man? That's magic. Oh
Let's
yeah,
just
that
fix this
works.
up.
That
Yeah,
works
yeah.
great. That works great.
Yeah, this works just fine. This works just fine.
Perfect. Oh, hey, look, he's back. Hey, Bob.
Hey.
Alright, come over here. Come over here to the main entrance.
Hold on,
Yeah.
I gotta make this. There we go.
Oh, okay. Hey, who did that?
What? It's nothing. Just ignore it. It's just your imagination.
This we got the driveway, coming straight into the pool
Oh,
and
yeah.
the chair. Bro, look at this.
Oh, what a nice
Look
chair.
at the chair. As you can see, we got my Tesla over here with the Tesla charging station.
Bro, no way, Tesla.
Look at my dope ride. So anyway, guys. Anyway,
Yeah, this building's
Yeah,
falling
that's
apart,
real
yeah.
nice.
I don't know. Oh, hey,
Oh, no
can I
way,
get you a
no
drink?
way. You have a car stand here? That's crazy.
Oh yeah, that's my actually my most expensive model.
Oh, you got a nice little balcony over the ocean? Oh, this is real nice. This is real nice. Got a nice view here.
Drop this balcony, drop the balcony, drop the.
Drop the balcony! Drop the balcony! Ah, here it is. Oh, it's falling! It's falling!
It's falling! Heads up!
Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh no.
Hold. Oh my god.
Boulder fight. Oh,
Ah. That poor cow.
Oh my god, I can't wait to use this elevator. Yay, awesome.
Hello. Epic outro.
Epic outro.